Tabitha and Omesa. And our granddaughter, Hon.Huldah. My son and my daughter. Our granddaughter left here when she was only 9 years old. God has elevated her and has elevated you through her, and you are here in Kenya with us to celebrate. And now we are happy that she has children. She has a family. May the Lord bless our son-in-law Ondieki and Huldah and their children. Wherever you will, be blessed. May you be a blessing wherever you go. Wherever you go in that office, whatever you speak, may you get it be downloaded from heaven. Whenever you go out, they will know a Kenyan has arrived. Thank you, be blessed, and you go. My granddaughter, I thank you so much. I thank God for the parents of this young girl. You have taken good care of her, and because you brought her upright. My name is Akramensia Kamunto Mweri. This is my grandchild. Our father's mom is my mother. I'm the youngest in their family. We are so happy and we thank God for giving us this young girl. And the parents who trained her well. We are so happy and we thank God for you. For remembering us. And all of you that have come here to be witnesses about this, we thank you. Thank you. I don't have much to say. Respect the older generation who are like your grandparents. Them that are uncles. Respect that country of living. Because your brothers are God bless.
You will be a leader in the future apart from what you have now taken. Yasago Senibaba. I now Baba Umugambi. No Mayete Mojogoro. Nerangina Yamisa. But God knew her before she was born. May the Lord bless you abundantly.
To that house, may you work under the favor and the wisdom of God. May God lead you. May God that guide you, lead you all through. And I know, my daughter, you are going far. This is just the beginning. And we prophesy that you go ahead and ahead. Move, move, move. I'm just saying, go.
Watoki neidieta kusiyonsi kenda buya manena wosesenye epare meremembia ande yeso na kwanjete sabari engiya karomo ko genda Tabitha ndoyo minto mesa buya mono manena tigaba seseni kanisa nengiya nero yarere to mwanoyo yageri robeire omonto bono to otoro seji edieta manena baseseni buya mono.